show. What the hell's going on?
Pie.
Baker, what is this going on? Like it, don't like
Are you Spooderman?
it? No. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber though. I am a YouTuber though.
Yeah. Me sub.
Huh? 1,050 something.
Oh, I'll sub to that.
Yep. I do mostly comedy though.
But
Why my button is looking my button? My button is all messed up. It was just stuck in for a whole long time. I was like, what the hell's wrong with my button? You can check it out.
that's what happened to mine. My H key's gone.
My A was stuck in for a minute there. I figured out how to push it back out. That's my YouTube page though. My dog is right behind me. See it?
Sub.
That's the reason I'm on here, to get some YouTube content.
Yeah. Is this gonna be a video?
Yeah.
Wait, I have something.
What? So what is that? A light around the house? Is that a light around the whole area up there? Did you put that up there?
No, I didn't do lights.
No, I'm saying, who put the lights up there?
My dad.
Oh, I was about to say, because I said you got to get a ladder to do that.
Yeah, I have to add more right here.
They still look nice though. I would never.
Yeah.
You add one more little. You only need one more little spot. So you don't even need two controllers if it's.
No, you can hook it up because I got two 25 feet for $26. And you can just use one remote.
Talking about the cover that one spot. Would it use another remote at the same time? That's what I'm saying.
I mean, that might work. I don't know how that works, but
this dog's annoying right now.
Yeah. My cats are annoying. They jump up here and walk on my keyboard when I'm playing games.
I think he mad at me because I woke his ass up.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Peace out.
Bye-bye.
What the hell? She got makeup all over her face.
That's not makeup. I have a wiener.
What is that?
A wiener.
That ain't no wiener, but what is
It's my patch on.
Is that what?
Sorry that I'm a transgender. Sir, I look like you in the future. Sir.
Maybe it was. Maybe it is me in the future.
I mean, what do you think? Hi. Okay, now I quit. Have a good day, sir. You don't know.
What's up?
Nothing. Is trying to get some YouTube recording for YouTube right now.
Oh wow, cool. I YouTube.
I got like 1,000 something subscribers though.
Oh.
I just hit 80,000 views.
Oh, that's good. That's
my
good.
God. Can we talk about the puppy?
Oh, the puppy.
Oh my God. Why can't my dog be like that? That thing look like dick suckers. No, that thing ain't. That thing be.
That's a toy poodle.
What's your doggy's name?
Baker.
Oh, so cute. Can you bake him?
That
That wasn't a joke. I'm sorry.
That's so mean, dude.
I want to bake my dog. Stop. I'm not joking.
Silly.
Why are you just like Spider-Man?
Because I was lazy. And I had to change my outfit because I didn't want to
Yeah,
wear
I
the
can't
same
do it.
outfit. The same outfit as my character wear.
Let me do Galbert.
Could you shut up?
I'm talking to Spider-Man right now. God.
Are you the real Spider-Man?
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. He's Spider-Man.
That's my channel.
Okay.
Oh my
Take
god.
a screenshot. So we,
Yeah, I
so
need
we
to-
remember.
What's up?
What's up, man?
What you doing?
Nothing, man. What you up to?
Nothing. Just trying to get some content for YouTube.
Oh, man, what you channel? What kind of videos you make?
I do comedy skits.
Okay, man.
I got like 1,050 something subscribers right now.
Oh, dang, that's pretty good.
I got like 80,000 something views right now.
That's good, man. That's been pretty good.
I'm doing decent right now.
Do what?
So I'm doing decent right now on YouTube.
Yeah.
Trying to get well, at least one promotion video one day.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I feel you, man. I'll check out your channel.
Okay, man. Thanks.
All right. No problem.
Peace out.
Yeah.
So what you use you just use your mic for what? Record this to use to talk and that's it?
No, I'm on my phone right now, and then I'm live on Twitch right now.
Oh, so you about to play video games?
Yeah,
What you about to play?
Dead by Daylight.
They just got a new DLC not that long ago.
Fucking broke the game. It's dog shit. Take it out.
It broke the game for real?
Yeah, for real, for real.
Damn. I only seen
Like
one
they
person.
added one DLC, and like everyone else got fucked up too.
Cause I seen
They're
one
bumping.
person, Dash, he had played it. That was the only person I seen that played it on YouTube.
Damn. Look, you can watch me on Twitch.
Must screen.
Fucking live right now, boy.
I'm gonna take a picture of that. Hold on, let me get my camera out. Okay. This phone is acting stupid. Okay, yeah, I just took a picture of it.
Alright, so live recording. I've got permission to use your music on my stream.
I mean, I only got one song right now.
What? It looked like you got more. What's that? What you got out?
I think I only got one song.
Just let your soul glow.
That ain't
Be
my,
gone,
that ain't
not
my
coming
song.
back.
That's a YouTube video. That's a skit.
Oh, man.
My song.
I thought you were gonna have some music out. I would have put you on.
I got one song is called "Ticking Head Snap."
That's pretty dope. I'll try and find it. I'll check out your videos too.
Yeah, I got a lot of them. I got a whole bunch. I'm almost at 300 videos too.
Is it like funny dumb skits or like what are they?
I do mostly voice of persons and stuff. I played as I played as my so far I played as Adam Sanders and Donald Trump so far.
Oh, that's what's up.
I'm gonna do Ray Charles next time. So I have to change my color because I ain't dark enough. I'm gonna have to give me some sunglasses. Act like I'm blind. That should be funny. Yeah,
Alright, man.
I'm gonna have to fix my Twitch.
I'm about to do it.
I'm gonna have to fix my Twitch so I can look you up.
Alright. It's all good. So yeah. Just have a good day, my man.
You too. Have fun. I'm gonna follow you on there once I figure out what's wrong with my Twitch account.
Hello.
Man, what's up?
What's up, dog?
Nothing. I got a dog right there. I do got a dog.
Oh, I'm getting a puppy next week.
You don't see it right there? That's a dog.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. What kind? It's cute.
It's a Shih Tzu.
No, it's a toy poodle.
What's poppin'?
Oh! Oh my
Oh
goodness.
my gosh.
That is so cute. Oh.
No, I'm
What's
just
poppin'?
I'm recording for YouTube.
Oh, right now you are?
Yep,
Hey, YouTube.
What's up?
that's what I'm doing right now. Trying to get some content.
Go follow me on Instagram at its_LIYAHM and add me on Snapchat, but don't hit me up. Ranky, what's your YouTube channel?
I'm gonna put it in just put it down here.
All right.
We got like 1,000 some subscribers right now.
1K subscribers.
1,050K. 1,050K.
You do not have 1,050K.
Yes, I do.
No food in my crib now. I look lavish. I've subscribed.
Thanks. See, oh, okay.
Hey, what's up, man?
Trying to figure out how long I've been recording. Not that long. I thought I was just recording a lot. I ain't been recording hardly at all. Trying to
Hey, is
get
that a Spider-Man suit?
No, it's just a t-shirt. It's a long sleeve shirt and that's it.
Oh man, it kind of looks like a T-shirt. Or man, I meant like one of them Spider-Man suits.
What is that in the background? Is that your hoodie? Or that's a person in the background?
What?
It was something in the background.
But I don't keep my hoodies in my room. I keep them upstairs.
Oh, yeah, I guess it moved. I guess the whoever person in the background moved because I don't see it now. Yep, he moved. Where's the person in the? I know there's a person in the background. I see somebody else in there.
I really don't know, man. I really don't know.
You trying to scare me?
No, I swear.
Man, yes, you are. You trying to scare me.
I'm the only one in my room right now. My parents are upstairs.
No, I don't believe that because I seen a thing in the background not that long ago.
That's a cute dog you got there.
Thanks. I'm just trying to stream from you. I'm recording for YouTube right now.
I see you recording omegle.
Yep.
Oh, what's up?
This mic is not on.
Oh, no.
See, there it is again. See, I know.
I swear, what do you mean? Where
I'm
is
not
it?
dumb. Y'all trying to scare me.
I actually don't see anything.
I just seen it. Okay, y'all just trying to act dumb. I just seen another person there.
Nothing right here. Nothing back here.
I'm not dumb. It's like he comes when you come in front of the camera. I'm not dumb. I can take a picture of my phone and then show it back to you. I'm not stupid.
Wait.
Now you turn off the light.
Oh, okay. I think there really is some shit. Fucking.
Okay, you is trying to scare people. Hey, that will be good content for YouTube. It will be.
Yeah. Good job. We couldn't get you.
Oh, what's up, bro?
You probably one of the few people who knew what was going on.
Who actually stayed, you know what I mean?
Yeah, most people just stop right away. Yeah, they just stay.
I'm still putting this up on there though.
Wait, you should let us subscribe, bro.
It'll be good to have this as that part as a thumbnail.
For real, bro, for real. How many subscribers you got?
1,050 something.
Damn, that's pretty cool, man.
All right. I'll look that up.
I got like 80,000 something views so far.
Bro, that's pretty sick.
I'll put the link to my channel. Oh yeah, there you are.
That's pretty cool, not gonna lie, man.
I'll put the link to my channel in the description too, or well, not the link, but just my name.
I'm gonna have to scroll. I'm gonna take a picture of it.
All right.
I'm waiting for you to get done typing. Is it that long? It must be a long name.
Nah, it's not that hard.
Okay, I got it now. I just took a picture of it.
All right.
Bro. Peace out, brother. You're pretty cool.
Yep.
Thanks.
Hey, see ya.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
What's poppin'?
Again, huh?
Bro, where's the Spider-Man costume?
I'm playing as Alejandro right now.
Oh, for sure, bro. All right, stay lit, stay lit.
Hey, my boy again.
What's up?
You remember me?
Nope.
Damn, we said something about your voice.
Stop hating on my boy.
I know. I just say shit, bro. Much respect to you.
I'm trying to get some content for you too.
Yo, there's sometimes injured.
What's your YouTube channel?
No, I type it in.
Where's the ball? The ball did not break in that clock.
Thank God. Shoot. Oh, finally got off my lap.
Alright.
Chicken. I'm literally chicken right now.
What's
Fine.
up, chicken?
Do you want to bang?
No.
You don't want to bang?
No, I don't want one. I had what's that called? I had Arizona.
Monster? Hey, but the mango Arizonas are the best.
Yeah, I just seen a chicken leg on her talking to me earlier.
The fuck?
Chicks.
No, a chicken leg.
Oh, have you seen a guy that dressed up as donkey?
Nope, but I seen a person was on VR chat while he was on Omegle.
Yes, we did too. It was so awesome, but I think that guy's a YouTuber. I've seen his videos, and I called him hot.
I don't think I got nowhere near as much subscribers as that guy do.
Wait, are you trying to be a YouTuber?
I got like 1,000 something subscribers right now.
What do you film? Like, what kind of content?
Like comedy skits.
Skits? Like, of what?
Like I play a voice of person. I did Donald Trump so far.
Oh.
Next thing I'm gonna do is Michael Jackson. Ray Charles.
What's your YouTube? Look up his YouTube.
It's got like 1,000. I got 80,000 views so far. 80,000 something views.
Okay. That. Okay, she's gonna take a picture and then we're gonna look it up. All right. Also, I'll subscribe later. Promise.
Peace out.
Talk home.
I don't want Tom Holland.
Toby McGuire.
I like Toby. I like Toby. Yeah, I like Toby.
But why though? Like, there's got to be.
I don't know. Some odd reason I liked the third Spider-Man.
You like the third Spider-Man?
So the newest one?
No, he's talking about
The one where you're black.
Yeah, with
That's the worst one.
The one where he goes. Yeah, I'm like, bro. I don't know about that, my
The
G.
funny part is it was in the theater longer than any of the Spider-Man movies.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
I think it was just because it had more villains, bro. You had Goblin Jr., then you had freaking Sandman and Venom all in the same.
That may be the reason why I stayed the longest.
Yeah. I mean, James Franco too was hella big at that time, so.
That's true. He was coming up at the time.
Yeah, what y'all about to do? Play video games on the computer?
Shit, no, we're just chilling on Omegle. I'm about to pack a bowl.
fucking around.
I'm just trying to get some content for YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you got YouTube?
Yeah, I got like 1,000 something subscribers right now.
Hey, bro.
Let's see. What's your YouTube?
I guess I just hit 80,000 something.
What?
Crazy.
That's hype.
Hey, yeah, type it. The Alcide show.
That's actually a sick name.
Show. Let's see. The same right here. Yep. 1.5K down or something.
That's pretty cool.
Okay.
Let's come up. Let's come up.
Real. Well, shit. What do you want us to do, bro?
Straight up.
We'll give you some content and tell us what to do.
Hey, bro, I got some weed right here. You want me to do something with this? Or
No, you can't post that.
Is that explicit?
You can't post. I mean, I don't know what kind of channel you're trying to shoot for, but
I'm saying, do something.
Shit. So what's your YouTube about?
I mean, I do mostly comedy skits.
For real?
Yeah, I did voice impressions. You know, talking about the
Boy Who Cries songs? Is that what you said?
No, he said
I
the
said
boys.
voice Yeah.
Oh, the boy impression.
So far,
Wait.
I did Donald Trump, Adam Sanders. That's so far I did so far. So I'm planning to do I'm planning to do Michael Jackson. I'm planning to do Ray Charles. The next ones.
Yup.
For sure, bro.
Now I
Well,
just need to
fucking
get some sunglasses now to play Ray Charles. I got my makeup already, so.
stay on that grind, bro. Get
Bro,
there.
you actually fucks with the makeup on that? That's tight. That's tight.
Yeah, I had makeup when I played as Donald Trump. I got a lot of videos with Donald Trump.
Yeah. Well, shit, bro. I hope you blow up for sure.
For real, bro.
We'll have to check you out.
I want to see you Spider-Man 2099.
He's got it.
2099. Actually, I think that is a Spider-Man. Actually, 2099. There is a 2099 Spider-Man.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
She gonna
You gotta come up on that.
Man, I wish they would have actually made a movie of that. That would have been a good one.
Shit, that'd be tight as fuck.
How long have you been on YouTube for? I see videos from like way back
12 years ago?
12 years ago, yeah.
Because I was with a group back in the day and they left me. So I ended up starting over back in 2014 by myself.
Still on that grind, bro.
For real, you got 1,000 now. You're chilling.
You stream on like Twitch or anything else?
No, I just stream on YouTube so far.
Oh, for sure.
Bro, just keep grinding, man. Honestly, man. We're on that grind too.
I see that freestyle, bro.
Yeah, it ain't got that many views, but
You met PewDiePie on Omegle?
that was kind of weird though. I got copyright claim for that video.
Yeah.
I bet you it wasn't even PewDiePie. He don't copyright videos like that.
I know it was just weird. I was like, why the hell this shit get copyrighted? That shit weird as fuck.
Yeah.
Did they strike you or anything like that or not?
No, it just got a copyright claim and that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Damn.
I did get a strike for one video though, because I was streaming. I was streaming like horror show, like horror stuff, and then they copyright strike me for that one.
Oh, you weren't showing snippets. Were you just showing like actual footage, the whole thing?
Yeah, the whole footage. The whole thing.
And then they
It's like three. You got a snippet, change the image, like what it looks like, and then the audio. That's literally the three things you got to do.
If I was a big YouTuber, they would have let me do that shit.
That's true. You'd be like, hey, next time don't do that.
Oh no, that's still hella crazy to me. Why would they copyright for the PewDiePie thing?
And that was weird. That didn't make no sense to me.
Maybe it's like throwing out bigger names, or I don't fucking know.
Maybe I don't know. I have no idea.
I don't even know.
Because PewDiePie don't be copywriting low subscribed
it's
channels.
Off YouTube thing. You play Rocket League too?
I mean, I'm decent. I'll be winning a lot of time. I'm decent. But
Yeah,
I mostly win when I have my friend Julian over though.
I always gotta have that one friend that just slaps.
One friend is good.
We be killing when we on teams, but I'm like when I'm not with him, I don't win that many times.
Hey yo, are we currently like being recorded or something?
Yep.
That's lit.
Yep,
I'm gonna take
recording right now. It's right here. I'm recording right now. And you can't see my camera. You can't see my stream, my thing. I don't think they're gonna let me switch it over.
Hey, you mind if we shout out our channel real quick?
Yeah.
No shout out.
No,
Wait. All right. Well, I guess not.
We'll try and grind up our arm, bro.
All right.
No point of trying to build out to someone else's success.
I mean, it'd be good for people to just slide through. It'd be cool. We'll shout him out too. Fuck you. Why not?
Motherfucker, we just started, bro. You think 10 people are gonna go slide to
What if people?
We legit.
I made a video with somebody, and they only had like 100 followers on Instagram. Now they got like 3,000.
Exactly. You know what I mean? Like, what if that happens to us?
Hell yeah.
Then he can get followers. The more followers we get.
So I really helped him out.
Hell yeah.
And his dumb ass like, oh, It was all I did all myself. How you gonna do it all yourself?
Nah, you for sure did
Bro,
it.
this social media shit, it ain't never by yourself. You always got to be collabing with somebody.
That's why, like, when it comes to like trying to shout people out, you got to be careful because some people will just not even give you the fucking credit that you deserve. They're like, oh yeah, I tried to do this shit.
Give me the credit. I helped him out. He didn't give me no credit at all when I helped his ass out.
Yeah, that's some bullshit. That's why I'm not trying to do no.
I mean, a shout out's a shout out, though. It ain't not like, oh, bro, I helped you out heavy, bro. I shout you out. It's like, bro, a shout out, like, shit.
That's like, when it comes to asking people for a shout out, it's just like, bro.
I'm not asking him for a shout out. I'm asking if we can shout out. You know what I mean?
That's
shout out
that's what I'm saying.
That's different. Don't you think that's different?
You into anime?
Yeah.
I see that. What's your favorite anime?
You know, you may be younger than me, so I watch. My favorite anime is Digimon.
Hey, Digimon's dope.
Digimon?
Hey, I grew up on that shit too.
That's my favorite one right there.
That was an anime.
It's like Pokemon's anime.
Yeah.
Pokemon anime, but I don't like. I never really went into Pokemon.
I don't know. I got on that Pokemon hype just because of all the cards and the games, and I think for surely my favorite anime though is definitely Death Note for right now, just because it's like I feel like it's such on a thought out level, dude. Like it's just too thought out. Like it's plot twist after plot twist.
That movie was trash.
What is this?
The movie was trash.
Oh, Death Note?
Have you seen it?
The movie was trash.
Yeah, the movie was trash. See, I watched the movie first originally, and then I was like, bro, like, I thought it was cool at first, but then I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna watch the anime. I watched the anime, and I realized, like, bro, this movie was hot shit, bro. If you try to compare it, it's garbage.
Yeah, if you watch Dragon Ball Z, and then you watch the movie Dragon Ball Evolution, that shit is
Evolution was horrible.
garbage, bro. Yeah, it's
not like a live action.
Yeah, it's a live action.
It's a live action.
Yeah, and it's hot garbage. Like that's yeah, it's hot
These
garbage.
days, they try to make it in a more recent era.
Yeah, the only Asian character
And
in
he
that.
was a teenager. They had Goku as a teenager.
Bro, why is that?
No, that's not even real.
It's The Rock and Kevin Hart photoshopped to me look like. It's this though for sure. This,
Yeah,
right?
that's it. Yeah.
What the hell?
Why he looking at it now?
Yeah.
Bro, there's literally like a fucking edited photo of The Rock and what's it called? Kevin Hart. Kevin Hart's Vegeta and The Rock is what's it called? Nappa.
That's
That's
so
hella
funny,
funny.
bro. Yeah, bro. That's what's up. You know, you gotta stay on that grind, bro. Keep pushing. Hopefully,
almost at 300 videos too.
Yeah, you game or besides like do you stream gaming or you just do the?
I just do it for fun. I don't get no views. I mostly get my views for my regular videos.
Yeah, just like the omegle crap and stuff.
No, I don't get no views for it. No, I'm saying I don't get that many views compared to my regular videos, like we do right now.
Oh yeah. Well, shit, bro. I think we're gonna head out. That's for sure.